Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss the MCQs from set 3. So let's start. Question number 1. Who among the following did not write any Pikaresque novel? A. Henry Fielding, B. Daniel Defoe, C. Tobias Moretti, D. Samuel Richardson. Answer is D. Samuel Richardson. Question number 2. Which of the following is not a romance? Pandosto, Arcadia, Rosalind, The Unfortunate Traveler. Answer is D. The Unfortunate Traveler. Question 3. Only Connect is the famous epigraph to A. Where Angels Fear to Tread, B. A Passage to India, C. Howards End, D. The Longest Journey. Answer is C. Howards End. Question number 4. Blifil figures in A. A Tale of Two Cities, B. Vanity Fair, C. Adam Bede, D. Tom Jones. Answer is D. Tom Jones. Question number 5. Bliss was it in the dawn to be alive, but to be young was very heaven. These lines are from A. The Prelude, B. Ode on the Intimations of Immortality, C. Resolution and Independence, D. The Excursion. Answer is A. The Prelude. Who among the following is not a poet laureate? A. Ted Hughes, B. Robert Southey, C. John Dryden, D. Philip Larkin. Answer is B. Robert Southey. Question number 7. The authorized version of the Bible was published in the reign of A. Elizabeth I, B. Charles I, C. James I, D. Charles II. Answer is C. James I. Question number 8. The Great Expectation was held in the year A. 1850, B. 1851, C. 1852, D. 1853. Answer is B. 1851. Question number 9. And calm of mind, all passions spent. This line is often cited with reference to the concept of A. Hubris, B. Catharsis, C. Anagnosis, D. Peripatia. Answer is C. Anagnosis. Question number 10. Who among Shakespeare's contemporaries did not write tragedies? A. Thomas Kidd, B. John Lyly, C. Christopher Marlowe, D. Ben Jonson. Answer is D. Ben Jonson. Question number 11. Which of the following is not a Shakespearean character? A. Celia, B. Jessica, C. Cariola, D. Gertrude. Answer is C. Cariola. Question number 12. BCD Ambushes is a play by A. John Haywood, B. Thomas Middleton, C. George Chapman, D. Blumen and Fletcher. Answer is D. C. George Chapman. Question number 13. Who among the poets pronounced the concept of negative capability? A. S.T. Coleridge, B. William Wordsworth, C. P.B. Shelley, D. John Keats. Answer is D. John Keats. Question number 14. Who among the following gave a definition of tragedy? A. Geoffrey Chaucer, B. William Langland, C. John Gower, D. Sir John Melville. Answer is C. John Gower. Question number 15. Who among the following used epiphany in his novel? A. James Joyce, B. Virginia Woolf, C. D.H. Lawrence, D. Joseph Conrad. Answer is A. James Joyce. Question number 16. Identify the play where there is no cross-dress character. A. The Two Gentlemen of Verona, B. As You Like It, C. 12th Night, D. The Comedy of Errors. Answer is A. The Two Gentlemen of Verona. Question number 17. In the Glorious Revolution, A. James I was replaced by Charles I, B. Charles I was replaced by Charles II, C. Charles II was replaced by James II, D. James II was replaced by William of Orange. Answer is D. James II was replaced by William of Orange. Question number 18. The Rosicrucian doctrine of spirits that underlines Pope's portrayal of the supernatural machinery in the Rape of the Lock can be traced back to A. Aristotle, B. Comte de Gabriel, C. Goethe, D. Folklore. Answer is C. Goethe. Question number 19. The Earl of Leicester's attempt to impress Queen Elizabeth are described in A. The Heart of Midlothian, B. The Talisman C. Naylor. D. Guy Mannering. Answer is C. Naylor. Question number 20. Which of the following writers is praised by Woolf in her essay Modern Fiction? A. H.G. Wells. B. James Joyce. C. Arnold Bennett. D. John Galsworthy. Answer is B. James Joyce. Question number 21. Who is the author of Point Counterpoint? A. E. M. Foster. B. Jonathan Swift. C. D. H. Lawrence. D. Aldous Huxley. Answer is D. Aldous Huxley. Question number 22. George Orwell's Animal Farm is a satire against A. the ideal of the French Revolution. B. the era of independence in America. C. the British colonization. D. the communist regime of in Russia. Answer is C. the British colonization. Question number 23. Sir Walter Scott's Waverley is set amidst the background of A. the Jacobite Rising of 1745. B. the Proteus riots of 1736. C. Medieval code of chivalry and military honor. D. Period of Commonwealth. Answer is A. the Jacobite Rising of 1745. Question number 24. Amphibryotic is A. trisyllabic foot with the middle syllable traced. B. A trisyllabic foot with the last foot traced. C. A disyllabic foot with the first syllable traced. D. A trisyllabic foot with the first syllable traced. Answer is C. A disyllabic foot with the first syllable traced. Question number 25. Jonathan Swift's Meditation on a Broomstick can be called A. satire. B. a bathos. C. an early spoof. D. a mock epic. Answer is A. satire. Thank you very much for watching this video. For more sets, please subscribe my channel.